Welcome to the in front of me REALME C31, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then here click on the sound section. Here we can see the media, call, ringtone and notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change them we should swipe this white dot to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. And also here we got the vibration settings. We can turn on a vibration always, first when the ring gradually, or just to turn it off. Here we can set the don't disturb mode, we can turn it on to turn off, to set shadow, and also customize it how you want. Here we got the shortcut to prevent ringing. We can turn it on or turn it off and just watch the vibration to mute. Here we got the ringtones sections. We can change the ringtones just by this way. Here we can select one from these available ringtones. We can set we get here 2 SIM slots, so we can use 2 SIM cards at the same time and otherwise, so we can just set 2 different ringtones to each of the SIM cards. By the same way we can change notification and alarm sounds here, and also we got here the the advanced settings, and here we got the dial tones, screen lock, unlock sound, the charging sounds and vibration, touch sound and touch vibration. We can turn on or turn off all of these options just by click here once on each of swatchers by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.